You ready? See if it runs better or worse. I'm gonna start with giving you guys a little walk around. It's got a pretty decent winch bumper, and he built 9,500 pound winch. It's got some eBay headlights, but they're actually super bright. I drove this home yesterday. It's ready for a snorkel. It actually included the snorkel, so that's in the back. So on 35s, got a Dana 44 up here out of an old Wagoneer. 488 gears, 4-linked setup. Bilstein shocks with reservoirs, lots of travel. You can see the Terraflex stabilizer there. It's pretty nice. Wow, is that, there are some issues. That's almost slammed into the tire there. Have to check that out. But so trussed front axle, Adams drive shaft. So pretty clean up here. It does have a really loud ratchet locker. Actually, the fenders have been cut. It's got some decent rock sliders. I don't know what kind of control arms these are. It's worn off. I'm not sure. Super nice drive shaft though. That is an Adams drive shaft on the rear too. See, it's got a new exhaust as well, at least just a catback. Looking back there, you can see gas tank skid plate. Come around back. It's got a metal bumper here. The pipe comes out the back here. This is a Toyota 8.4 inch, 488 gears. And I believe those are Rancho shocks. It's been a while since I've been in the four-wheel drive game, but that's what it looks like to me. Ratchet locker as well. This side's pretty straight. Now 35s are in decent shape. Did come with a extra wheel, so matching wheel. So we are going to be mounting a spare. And bead locks, and we are going to be fabricating a rear tire carrier swing out, so that will be pretty cool. I'm excited about that. That will be on the channel. First things first is this Jeep doesn't even start, so that's where we're going to start. My guess is that the battery, even though it's newer, I think there's probably a draw somewhere in the Jeep that kind of caused it to just go bad after sucking it down, so many times, time after time after time. Eventually the battery will fail, and so that's my first guess. Is that it has a parasite, so hopefully I can find that, put a new battery in it. Lots of noise from the rear brakes too, driving. They're drums, so we're gonna check all that stuff out, check out all the wheel bearings and stuff like that. Tons of vibration in the steering wheel, which I know some of that's to be expected just with a build like this. Who knows how well these tires are balanced. And inside, completely trashed. There's no carpet at all. And the driver's side seat is beautiful. It's a 5-speed. E-brake does not work, so we're going to be addressing that on the channel. Haven't even put it into four-wheel drive yet, so I'm assuming it works, but we'd definitely try that. It's got a really high-end shifter here, as you can see. You can buy these at Home Depot. And then it's also got a thumb throttle, which is nice if you're running your winch or if complicated areas, complicated terrains where you want to be using the brake and clutch and you need both feet and you don't have a foot for the gas pedal. It's got a hella horn on it that doesn't currently work. as we speak. The blinkers don't work. We don't have any headliner. I don't even know. I mean, this truck is full of so much stuff. What the heck is that? Wait a minute. So we got a high lift here. Looks like we have the old front drive shaft intake manifold. Thought I saw some headers in here somewhere. Here's the center console. What's this? Okay, headers. Snatch block. Recovery strap here, that's pretty cool. Oh, okay, injectors. It's got like some Chinese injectors in it. This is probably in conjunction with the snorkel, if I could find the snorkel. More center console parts that are disgusting. Intake and exhaust manifold. Gaskets. Here's the snorkel. So I'll definitely be putting this back on because the hole in the side of the fender is not super attractive. Kind of looks like it's got a tire carrier. I don't know why this is here. This is obviously brand new. Just looks like a factory manifold, so I'll have to take a look at the one in the Jeep, see why this is here and if it needs one. Could be why it was running so poor. There's box of wheel spacers here. Now, I definitely don't want to run those if I don't have to. Some of the steering components though are really close to the tire, so I have to see if it's rubbing. Now this definitely looks like a swing out carrier, or what was going to be one. So might be able to finish this and weld the rest of the carrier to it. That'd be cool. Oh wow, it's even got the roof rack rails in the back here. Armrest. You know, I'll tell you, this isn't what I expected to purchase. I wanted something a little bit nicer, and the guy was pretty dishonest about it. But we're here now, and I bought it anyways, obviously, just to rescue it, more or less. Spicer U-joint. IACV, idle air control valve. Interesting. Formula Auto Parts engine man. Oh, okay, map sensor. Throttle position sensor. Wheel bearings. Shit ton of lug nuts. Door handle. A fuel filter. Oh, it's brand new. That's awesome. Crankshaft sensor. This might be for the intake. Door handle again. Door handles. Lights. More door handles. I think this is a bike rack. I don't know what it is. And then the other thing it came with is a oh, there's a bunch of shit in the back seat, but the phone is sitting on a sub. Or no, just a speaker. Yeah, those are still in the package. And a look at the motor. Yeah, that manifold looks crusty. I'll probably swap it. The motor mount looks aftermarket. Could be wrong. I've had a Cherokee before, but it's been a while. Looks like, oh yeah, they are aftermarket. They're an off-road company. Looks like we got aftermarket Dizzy wires. I would like to pull a plug and see if it's running super rich. And there's an electric fan in the Jeep too. And there's the horn.